In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Minimax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to craft a clear prompt so Minimax can analyze your image or use it as a reference for generation. Start by opening your browser and going to the Minimax agent website, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in before proceeding, because image features are available once you're inside the chat or prompt interface. A stable internet connection helps ensure the upload goes smoothly. Once you're in the chat area, look for the upload control. This is typically shown as a paperclip icon or a button labeled Upload or File Upload. Minimax supports image recognition and image uploads for analysis or generation, so that's the control you'll use to attach your picture. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the input toolbar or clicking inside the message box to reveal additional options. Click the Upload button, then choose an image from your device. Standard formats like JPG and PNG are usually the safest bet. For best results, select a clear, well-lit image. Avoid extremely small or heavily compressed files that might blur important details. If your device shows multiple versions, choose the highest quality one you're comfortable sharing. Keep in mind that file size limits may apply, so if the upload fails, try a slightly smaller version. After you select the file, you should see a thumbnail or file name indicating that the image is attached to your message. If you picked the wrong picture, remove it and re-upload the correct one before continuing. This preview helps confirm Minimax will receive the right image. Now type your prompt and reference the image directly. Be specific about what you want. For example, you could say, "Describe what's in this image," if you want a detailed breakdown, or use this image as a reference for generating a video, if you're aiming for creative output. You can also ask about certain parts of the image, like, "Focus on the text in the sign," or "Analyze the color palette and style." When you're satisfied with your instructions, submit your message. The agent will then have access to both your image and your prompt, allowing it to analyze, generate content, or create outputs based on the combination of the two. If the first result isn't quite what you wanted, refine your prompt with follow-up instructions, and Minimax will iterate from there. That's all you need to upload an image to Minimax and guide it with a clear prompt.